Today we're going to cover inside Google+. What is important to know? We're getting lots of questions right now about Google+. Everyone wants to know what it really is. And basically it's a social network that has been introduced by Google as an all-out competitor to Facebook. In just 30 days, it's gathered nearly 15 million users, and those users are now sharing about 1 billion pieces of content each day. So even though this is a huge early success for Google, Google Plus is actually not very easy to understand. And so today we're going to dig in and learn some of the basics. The primary features and the terminology that you want to learn about it is there's a component called Stream, which is the news feed, or if you're familiar with your Facebook news feed, it's the information that you post and the information that others post to you. Sparks is a recommendation engine, somewhat of a search engine, but it kind of is a two-way. You can key in information in search, or Google provides you with suggested information based on the info that's in your Google Plus account. Hangouts is a video chat service. Huddle is a group texting service. Circles is the way that you manage your friends. And photos obviously enables you to post your photos. We're also told that there are more features like games and questions that are expected to be added to Google Plus in the near future. The name Google Plus was selected because Google really wants Google Plus to be an extension of Google itself. It's designed to be an improvement of all that is Google. And you need to know that this isn't Google's first attempt at dominating the social space. Google started Orkut, which is another social network, and obviously it has had huge success with YouTube. We're all familiar with that. Google also introduced two flops, Google Wave and Google Buzz, and neither of those attempts at social networking were successful for Google. The icons that you'll need to be familiar with in the Google Plus system are circles, hangouts, home, sparks, profile, and photos. The navigation bar, let me get over there. Navigation bar, at the top you'll notice it includes buttons for your notifications, your profile information, your content sharing, and then you've got your stream entry there in the middle. Stream is like your Facebook news feed. It's the information or the place where you can share your content, and then you can see what others are sharing from you as well. And this can also be viewed, your sharing can also be viewed by circle. In other words, if you put certain people into certain circles and you're only interested in seeing the news feed or the sharing information from those specific people, you're able to do that within your stream. Circles are like your Facebook friends. You can select multiple friends. You can drag and drop them into specific groups. These are called circles, and it really allows you as well for sending content to only specific groups. The Circles editor makes it easy to add and to remove friends from different groups. Sparks is Google's content recommendation engine. You can search for different content and find relevant articles, videos, photos. You can share those things with your friends. And as well, Google feeds you information in Sparks based on your own personal interests. There's also a unique video feature that is called Hangouts, which enables you to video chat with up to 10 different people at one time. You'll notice all these people across the bottom are all involved in this one video chat. And you can update your photos with your friends. You can use photo tagging, very similar to what you do in Facebook. There's also a very simple built-in browser-based editor. And then your profile information looks just like the profile information from many of the other networks. includes your basic information, your interests, occupation, photos, that type of thing. So most folks are asking us, what is Google Plus and why should I use it? The primary reasons that have been given for why to use Google Plus. Number one is it's cleaner, and it's a cleaner way to selectively share data with others. With cloud products that Google has introduced, like Documents, Calendar, and Reader, Google should be an easy way to gather data and share it with others using Google Plus. The combination of being able to share and then to get exposed to others in specific interest groups. The level of engagement seems to be higher. Commenting and resharing seems to be at a higher rate on Google+. It gives you more control and has more organic user experience. A clean user interface combined with a lack of distracting elements. You'll notice that Google+ is very clean and doesn't have a lot of the distracting things that are in some of the other networks, specifically Facebook. The Circles feature, which enables you to choose who you share information with. Now you're not just posting info and sharing it with everyone. You're able to select specific groups. Important for you to know, to get started with Google Plus today, you need to be invited because they are only allowing folks to try the beta version by invitation. So if you'd like to get started, send me an email and I'll email you an invitation so that you can join as well. And as well, you need to know that you have to have a Gmail account to sign up for Google. Once you accept your invitation, the first thing that you'll need to do is to set up a profile. And we'll cover some of the basic features today and some commands that will help you use Google Plus most effectively. One very important thing you should know is that Google is requesting that we not establish any business profiles as of yet. A feature that Google Plus is going to be launching, a specific business Google Plus feature coming in the near future. To tag a person in a post, you use the @ sign in front of their name, just like you would do in Facebook or in Twitter. To bold a word, you can use an asterisk before and after the word. When posting content, you can select to make the content public or to limit it to specific circles. And if you notice the +1 button in any web content, that's just like clicking the Facebook like button. And as well, Google Plus has a feature that's really cool where you can just drag a photo or drag a video into the share box and it automatically links that photo or that video or that link without you having to key anything in. Let's cover a couple of the elements. Circles is the core feature in Google Plus. It gives you more control than Facebook or Twitter. You can drag or drop friends in or out of different groups, and this allows you to put mom in your family circle, put your boss in your business circle, and put your college friends in your friends circle, and then you can create as many circles as you want. Now you can share different content with different groups of people. The stream or the sharing content component in Facebook or in Google Plus is just like the Facebook news feed. In Google Plus, it's called Stream. And instead of liking a post, you simply click on this +1 button, and the post then can be shared through your Google Plus stream. To update your status, you can also just type some of the content in the share box at the top of your stream, choose who you want to share it with, which circles you want to share it with, and you can choose to make that public so everyone sees it or just pick specific circles. And in addition to the text, you can share photos or videos or links just like you would do in Facebook. Automatically detects the content, links that content, and then you can choose a thumbnail for that link if you'd like. Here's a cool feature. If you only want to see the stream from your business network, let's say, your business circle, you just click on the circle for your business people underneath your stream. That way you can only you'll only be able to review, or you only have to review what's being shared from that particular group of people and not everybody. Sparks is Google Plus's internal Google search based on the content that is in your Google Plus account, and it also provides you suggested content as well as enabling you to key in text or a search word just like you would in Google. As well, you can pin your favorite Sparks, and you can as easily share those Sparks or that content that you find with your friends. Hangouts. This is a very cool feature of a Google+. No other social network has introduced anything like this yet, and it's simply a group chat using video where you can chat with up to 10 different people at the same time. Seems to be very popular. It does require you to download Google Talk software in order for it to work properly, and once you initiate a Hangout session, you can invite others to join, and as well you can, as a group, watch YouTube videos. Picasa is a company that is owned by Google, and it hosts all of the photos for Google+. The functionality is very similar to Facebook, where you can tag people. An added feature allows you to approve tagging before you are actually tagged, which many people like. And adding photos is very easy with a very simple drag and drop feature. Sharing photos with specific circles, and as well picture processing is easy with an onboard editor. The last time Google treated privacy as a secondary feature, it got burned, and it has been involved in many lawsuits. This time around, Google isn't playing games with Google Plus and privacy. In the Google Plus settings page, you'll find all of your privacy settings. You'll also find options for editing your email and your mobile phone notifications. An important feature is the ability as well for you to easily download all of the data that you have in Google+, so you still can control and hold all of that data. Of course, Google owns Android, and Google+ is obviously a mobile app. The app is straightforward for both Android and iPhone. A cool feature in the mobile app is a thing called Huddle, which allows you to group text. To group text is what I said. Also, the instant upload feature syncs your pictures that you take with your mobile phone to your desktop, so you can easily share once you get back to your desktop. Again, Google Plus for business, because there are a lot of users, and obviously makes sense for businesses to want to get involved and be involved in some of that action, but Google currently does not want businesses creating Google Plus profiles. In fact, they're actually removing them if you establish them. But thanks to high demand, they have accelerated the development of Google Plus for business. We're told that the beta will begin within the next few weeks. Until then, they're asking to avoid creating business pages. We will keep all of the Social Media Traction University folks up to date as we learn more about Google Plus for business. And I want to give a special thanks here for Ben Parr for some of the content that was used today in the Google Plus session.